Today, magpapaayos tayo ng suspension ng Honda Civic EG habang nasa Baguio tayo. Let's take my 33-year-old car all the way to Baguio. Ang gusto ngayon, sinisilip na ni 20 siya before yun. Philip to. Pero saan galing? Dito lang din siya sa area. Do we need the seat? Oo. Guys, ito na nga. Medyo malala. Ooh! Tama tayo, no? Naglabas kasi ako ng post kahapon looking for a suspension expert here in Baguio and meron kayong mga na-recommend sa akin. Actually, ang dami yung na-recommend sa akin. There was, I think, Garage 2600 and a couple of other peoples. Actually, gusto ko nga sana mag-coilovers pero wala akong kilala na marunong magtono dito. So I reached out to one of my local friends in Metro Manila, si Poy Flores, and he was able to recommend me one guy named Arvin or Alvin Espiritu. So ngayon, meron siya nung hinahanap natin which are just lifters to of course, lift the EG up para hindi lang tayo magkaroon ng malaking problema going down since full load tayo at marami din tayong pasahero. I completely forgot that there was number coding in Baguio. So buti na lang yung area niya, hindi daw affected by that. Mapapansin nyo kasi guys na ang main problem natin dito is ito wala tong load daw, walang sakay, walang anything. And ganito na siyang kababa. It's about a 3-finger gap. And ang problema kapag sumakay ka dyan, bumabaksak talaga siya almost to the ground. Almost to the tires actually. Thankfully, hindi lang siya nagra-rub. Pero yun nga, sobrang full load kasi tayo. 3 heavy passengers with 4 or 5 luggages. It's pretty crazy. Oh guys, cold start. Literally. No issues, baby. Walang problema yung EG natin aside from the height. But so far, fuel is good. Hindi pa tayo nagpapa-fuel up all the way from Manila. 325 kilometers. Pero yun nga lang, nasa red na siya. Pero hindi pa naman umiilaw eh. Pero bad habit yun guys, huwag niyong gayahin. Wala lang kasing gas station dito. So far guys, ilang araw na rin kami nandito sa Baguio and grabe feeling namin sobrang bitin pa rin. Although we've been sleeping really late, siguro parang the first night, 7 AM na ako nakatulog. So medyo basag talaga kami all throughout kasi nga tinatry namin siyang sulitin. And at night, we've been having bonfires and sobrang saya lang. So si Jeric guys, hindi ko pa ata siya napakilala sa inyo. Siya yung kasama namin na sumunod. So nag-bus siya all the way here. Nag-VIP bus siya, yung pwede mong higaan.
It was fun actually, pero not recommended for taller people.
1.5, oo. So guys, pinapasok ni Arvin yung EG sa shop niya. Sobrang bait na in-accommodate tayo. Buti na lang libre siya guys. Thank you to Brother Poy for recommending him. Nalaman namin naka-coil sleeves din pala yung likod. So we'll try to figure out kung anong pwedeng gawin dito. Naka-sleeves pala yung likod nito. Actually, dati si Poy, in-adjust na yan, pero masyado mababa.
Si Poy kasi ang pinaka-ano ko, kuya.
Marami na akong pinagawa kay Poy. May Evo 7 ako, bro. Sa kanya ko rin pinagawa yun. So kung dosto ngayon, the 3 is too high na, no? 2.5. Sinisilip na ni Arvin yung suspension natin ngayon. We found out na naka-coil sleeves din pala siya sa likod. Naalala ko na yun before kasi in-adjust namin siya, but it's been so long since I've had this car. Kahit pala coil sleeves, nagboboto. O kasi may shock pa rin eh, no? Pero gusto ko kasi siyang ilayo eh. Actually bro, itong car na to, gusto ko siyang in-north loop. Talagang kotse, ayoko na parang
Bini-baby.
Oo, hindi ako naniniwala doon. So guys, ngayon yung discarte namin, maglalagay lang kami ng 1-finger gap. Well, actually, magdadagdag kami ng 1-finger gap sa likod to be able to hopefully hold the weight. And then if off yun, and mukha siyang nakatingala, and then we'll start adjusting the front. Pero tingin ko yung back lang okay na yun. Kasi comfy naman yung ride, di ba V? 20 siya before, ngayon 15.
Ngayon 15.
Guys, test drive natin yung EG. So, nasa 3-finger gap tayo ngayon. Hopefully, maging okay. So ngayon guys, sine-check lang namin kung pantay siya sa harap, sa likod. Kasi hindi na namin inangat yung harap. Kapag nagsakay ako, ganun ulit mangyayari, nababaksak yung likod. But as of right now, there's about a 3-finger gap in the back. Almost 2 siguro sa harap. Hindi naman masyadong halata na nosedive.
Yung bottom out na naririnig mo, kung bottom out siya, mawawala. Hopefully, mabawasan. Kasi tumaas ka.
No, problema ko lang na bro, na-OC kasi ako eh. Parang gusto kong ibaba yung likod ng half. Will it cancel out everything that we did? Hindi naman. O angat yung harap. Angat na lang yung harap.
Konting-konti.
Angat harap o baksak likod? Masikip na do. Ay di, 2. 3 na maluwag.
So, ang mangyayari, 1 finger gap pag nilagyan ng load.
Ng tao. So guys, ito na yung bagong height niya. Iniisip lang namin, parang gusto ko pa kasing ibaba to. Pero hindi ko sure. Hindi pa talaga ako sure. Pero yan, there's a 3 finger gap. 2 finger gap in front. Pag nagka-weight to, babaksak siya ng mga about 2. But as of right now, hindi naman masyadong halata na naka-nosedive siya. Final solution, tinry kasi namin siyang talunan-talunan and it was staying at 3. Actually, 3 and something. Parang 3.25. So medyo nauusi lang ako sa itsura niya and wala na akong balak ayusin pagbalik ng Manila. So right now, from about 3.5, we're gonna lower it down to about 2.75. Mga ganyan. Kung kaya man nakaka-usi. So try natin na paayos kay Brother Arvin. Sobrang bait niya guys. He's been accommodating. Alright guys, ito na yung bago niyang height. Try it out guys. Ikot muna natin. Hopefully it's gonna be good. So far, parang okay naman. Yan na siya with the new height. Mas mukha siyang decente. Or mas mukha siyang at least flat. Kanina it was around 3. Ngayon it's like a tight 3. So guys, try natin umupo sa likod. 2. Okay, so from 3 it becomes 2. Guys, sobrang sipag ni Arvin. So much love to him and much love to Kuya Poy. I guess okay na yun. Thank you bro. Guys, kasama natin ngayon si Arvin from Zero Gap. Ang nagsuggest na kanya sa atin na si Kuya Poy all the way from Manila. Inayos niya yung suspension natin. Ano masasabi mo, brother?
Thanks, Kuya Poy. See you soon.
See you soon. Thank you, Kuya Poy. Sobrang naayos yung car. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, maayos na yung gap niya from the front to the back. And nung inupuan ko, bumaksak siya ng onte, but it's still pretty much fair with what's in front. So if you guys need your suspension done, dito lang tayo kay Zero Gap near Dominican Road kay Brother Arvin. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sarap talaga sa Baguio, guys. When I drive here, it's just so relaxing. Tapos parang na-escalate pa siya lalo na naka-90s car tayo. Parang sobrang bagay niya sa environment ng simple living dito sa Baguio. Although nilulubak tayo ngayon, not quite sure kung nasan kasi tayo. Grabe. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Farmer's Daughter, guys. Oh my God, grabe. Sumayad tayo nito. Oh. Okay na, laban lang guys, kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. Kahit pa paano naman, meron pa tayong fuel. Tingnan nyo guys kung gano'ng katarik yung daanan na to. Grabe. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Honda Civic EG. You got this, baby. So guys, na-drive na natin yung Honda Civic EG. Ito na yung bagong height niya ngayon. Ang worry ko lang guys, baka parang bumalik din siya dun sa dati. Wherein parang 2 finger gap sa harap, 2 finger gap sa likod. So ang worry ko, pag nagka-weight siya, baka ganun lang din mag-cancel out, parang wala tayong ginawa kanina. Mayroon akong kutob na yung 3 fingers kanina, baka perfect na nga yun for the purpose that we want eh. So let's see, hopefully hindi natin kailangan bumalik and hopefully okay na yung ginawa ni Brother Arvin. Pero in my case, yung ride niya ngayon, absolutely perfect and absolutely pristine. Sobrang dali rin niya makatrabaho. Recommend them guys for any of your coilover, coil sleeves, Zero Gap, shock customization needs. Today, bibili tayo ng original Honda Civic EG6 steering wheel sa Baguio pa guys, of all places. So ito guys, si Sunny, no? Hello, hello brother. Pinuntahan niya tayo dito. Ito yung EG6 steering wheel. Actually, pangit na pangit kasi ako sa Momo na nakalagay doon. Kasi hindi ko pa alam if orig. So kaya naisip kong bilhin to. Pero saan galing to sa'yo before?
Oo, nabili ko rin sa friend ko.
So plug and play lang siya, no?
Plug and play lang.
Hindi ko na ito bubuksan bro. Yung horn gumagana siya lahat-lahat.
Gumagana lahat.
So kung i-install ko to, hindi na masyado matagal siguro, no? Tapos yung sa horn niya, matic na rin yun.
Kumbaga, yan na yun. Andyan na yung quality.
Alright, ayos. Thanks brother. Ito yung ano niya, EG rin. Anong makina nito? B16. Daily mo to brother?
Oo, daily yan.
Daily. Ayos. Ganda no? Kakaibigan ko bro. Ito yung EG niya guys, oh. Naka B16 siya guys. Kompleto rin yung interior. So nahanap natin siya guys sa marketplace. Tapos ayun, nagkataon na nandito lang din siya sa area natin. Lumapit siya and then yun. Ayun na, nakabili tayo ng steering wheel. Buti naman guys kasi the Momo steering wheel I had could be original, could be fake. Di ako sure sa quality niya guys, sa totoo lang. So guys, ito pinag-uusapan na namin kung paano natin i-install yung steering wheel na to na EG6. Actually, hindi ko na siya naasikaso or nakita kanina. But as you can see, meron siyang mga damages or ano ba to? Dirt lang pala. Dirt lang pala. Walang problema. So we're gonna be able to install the steering wheel pretty quick, hopefully with Joe's help. Si Joe kasi yung kaibigan ko guys. Andyan siya. Hinihiritan niya yung Momo steering wheel natin. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, ganito, bago mo bilhin or bago mo hingin sa akin, kailangan natin malaman kung original siya o hindi. So, sinisilip niya kanina kung original yung steering wheel or hindi. And kahit siya mismo, guys, hindi niya ma-figure out kung orig siya o hindi. Kasi genuine daw yung leather. So, ang tanong ko for you guys, how can you tell whether a Momo steering wheel is original or not? If it has all the proper markings, all the leather. Honestly, ang sarap ng grip nito. Pero wala eh. May pagka-purist talaga tayo, guys. Okay, ito rin pala. Meron siyang quick release. And guys, meron din siya ng quick release, so. Which means, does that mean we have to take this one off as well? D1 spec quick release, and if we look at the back, made in Italy Momo. Actually, baka orig nga to, hindi kaya? Search natin guys, a moment of truth. Meron kasi nakalagay dito na Momo Italy TYP V35. Oh my God, bro! Orig siya! Yung marking sa likod, KBA 7068, shows up on the website and ChatGPT. But they can fake that, right?
Yes.
That's true.
The stitching talaga.
Bro, may quick release to Tanggalin din natin.
Siyempre bro.
Guys, sobrang galing na rin ng mga peke na Momo steering. Actually, we still don't know if it's fake or not, but ChatGPT said na meron tong code sa likod that says KBA 7068, and in that sense, lumalabas siya as an original Monte Carlo steering wheel. Although, sabi ng kaibigan ko na kahit yun daw, pwedeng pekein. So, ang hirap malaman. Haggard Garage Philippine Edition. Old steering wheel, new steering wheel, obviously much bigger, probably gonna give me a better grip, guys. Since I'm able to get stock steering wheel now. So guys, dito na tayo sa part na to. We have to remove this. Excited na ako, bro. I have to fight it back, right? Because...
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bahala na.
We'll see, bro. It's easy to adjust. It's just really stuck.
Dilipad lang kasi lahat.
Lilipad kasi bro eh. Well, okay lang naman bro. I mean, hindi naman tayo masasaktan eh. Mabibigla lang naman tayo eh.
And then we just wiggle it.
Yeah, you just wiggle it.
That's just the bolt all your shit. And put the wheel back on and basically all your tools.
I remember having difficulty with the one awkward.
Hirap. Guys, moment of truth. Malaman na natin ngayon kung magkakasya lahat ng gamit. May mga dumugdug pa pala tayo. Like this steering wheel. Although I was sad to know na yung local steering wheel pala, kamukha rin niya. Except, yung local steering wheel, guys, is silver. Do we need the seat down, Jer, for this, you think? O kaya mong dyan na lang yung ibang gamit? Hindi, inisip ko nga, yung backpack mo. Lagay mo na lang din dun sa left. Yeah, put it back up. Oh, you gotta do that. Hey! Hey! Not bad, Yan. Tatlong mabigat na lalaki. Kotse na puno ng gamit. Plus pasalubong at may manibela, jack, tools, spare tire. Yeah, we'll see. We'll find out. Yeah. I need level ground first. In fairness, guys, full load, parang okay lang siya. Ang tingin nyo guys, parang manageable naman no? Hindi masyadong halata na sobrang daming tao sa loob ng kotse. There's a little bit of a lean, which means hindi na siguro niya kaya mag-accommodate ng 4 na tao. 2, 1 actually. Tight. Guys, tingnan nyo kung gano'ng ka-foggy pocket dito. Super ganda. You know, look at that area, bro. Ganda pare. Mamaya. Dumadating yung kotse na wala yung fog, bro. Uy! Ano nangyari yun? Guys, ito yung favorite ko na kainan ngayon malapit sa Green Valley. Real home-cooked Carinderia food. Although wala sila ng ihaw ngayon, yung ihaw yung gusto ko, guys. It's time to feast, baby! Time to feast! Guys, sobrang foggy. Guys, tingnan nyo kung gano'ng kalawak sa Camp John Hay ng weekday, no? Sobrang walang tao, guys. Ang sarap mag-take ng picture, ang sarap tumambay, ang sarap mag-chill and relax. Just look at how everything is. I have no words, guys. Saya lang, ang saya lang. This is probably one of the best trips I've ever had. Look at the EG guys, oh. Doing well. Puno yan full load. Thank you again to Kuya Poy and Arvin for fixing our suspension. Imagine nyo guys, full load yan mga 3, 4, 5 bagahe, 3 malaking tao sa loob. And yet, di naman tayo sumasayad. And kahit papano, the suspension is actually, it's doing pretty well I love this car guys. Hindi ko ma-explain kung gaano ko siya kamahal as in sobrang na-attach na ako sa kanya. At grabe, ang galing. Ang galing nung engineering nung kotse na to. It's just so cute, it's so small, yet ang daming pwede mong ilagay sa loob. Guys, so pabalik na kami ngayon ng Manila. Ito yung current scenario nung EG natin. Fully loaded to the brim guys. May mga baggages, speakers, steering wheel, cameras, umbrellas, tools, jacks, spare tire, cross wrench. Ano, yan ang sulit.
Amazing, man.
Yan ang sulit na kotse, bro. Look at that.
Bro, like you said, drive it.
It's a car.
Drive it.
That's how we are every time we come home from Manila.
In the SIR, but in the Accord, maluwag tayo sa...
Look at this EG, bro. Look at this.
Puro tayo kasi daming pinauwi ng mami mo last time.
Yan ang kotse. Yan ang kotse talaga. I love it so much, man. It's so tiny, Rish. It's so tiny. Komportable kami sa loob, bro, Kahit pa paano.
Huwag mo kulitin yung aircon, ayos yung aircon. It's not.
It's okay, no? I mean, compared to his SIR back then.
Ay, my goodness.
Diba? Grabe.
Ito ng tunog na ito.
Okay ba?
Wala kasi yung Accord mo.
Pero may ingay yan sa 100,
Oh, but this is raspier. I like this. This sounds better than my Accord.
Sabi mo, peke yung exhaust ko.
Peke nga. Peking maganda.
Peking maganda. Yung sa'yo hindi
Di ba yung naka-headers ako, bro? Naalala mo?
Kaya, that's why.
Di ba? Mababa, sabi
That's
mo.
why. Yun, it's gonna change it so much, bro.
May resonator?
Oh, limitless po.
Magsasagada na kami, pare.
Ilocos ka mamaya.
Iloko. Wala na, bro. Wala na kaming babalikan sa Manila.
Kaya body color mo lang?
Yes, sir. You know, that's my thing.
Ako na, bro. Hindi ko gusto yung CF. Carbon fiber wood, man. Hindi, okay pa talaga yan.
Ito, okay pa to, no?
Okay din yan. Aba, nakakulan. I'm surprised it hasn't.
Ano yan?
Ano here, Look what's holding it.
Okay lang yan.
Cheap as shit.
Works naman Bayan mo na. Hindi, papalitan ko yan. Alam mo yung fat intake, yung...
The fat. None, bro.
There's a fat one that looks really nice, Pwede ba? Paano ko maghanap ng stock airbox? Bye, Bella. Say bye. Bye, Bella. Who am I? What's my name? Okay, good job. Do you want to go on a trail again? Yes. Okay guys, magsisigip muna tayo ng lug nuts just in case. Syempre, mahaba-haba yung biyahe natin. Although ang gumagawa sa atin ito dati si Calvin. So, shout out Calvin. I miss you, brother. Tama nga naman. Para secure, no?
Parena yung ginamit niya.
Oo.
I wouldn't trust Parena, bro.
Calvin, miss na kita, bro. Alright guys, time check right now. It is 10:15. It is very, very cold here in Baguio. Sana maging okay ang lahat sa biyahe natin na to. Para sa mga nunood, if umabot kayo dito, sobrang pasasalamat ko sa inyo kasi dahil sa inyo na-inspire akong gawin to at namin nag-message na na-inspire din sila na i-drive yung mga coach nila at ayusin at gamitin sa mga malalayong na lugar. Hindi lang sa pang city pero sa mga malalayong lugar din. Currently, it's 15 degrees. It's cold. It's cold? Ingat, bro. Thank you. See you in Manila. Guys, time check, 10:29. Ang estimated natin papuntang Manila is about 4 hours. Ang uwi natin is 2:27 AM, guys. Walang stopover yon, but I'm sure we're gonna stop over maybe at least once, no? 14 degrees, bro. Aircon's off, Aircon's off.
The aircon's off?
Yeah. Ay, it's on. Baguio, I love you so much. Thank you sa mga nakasama namin dito. Right now, naka full tank tayo at 63 kilometers na yung nagastos natin. Ang mahal ng gasolina sa Baguio, guys, Hindi namin na-install yung steering wheel, but okay lang. Hopefully, everything is gonna be okay. Lord God, please protect us during this trip. Guys, pauwi na sana kami pero nagka-delay. Gusto nila bumili ng ube dito sa may Caltex. So, nagpapahangin lang tayo. 32. So far, so good ang ating Honda Civic EG, guys. No problems, no nothing. It's a very, very good car, guys. Ano, bro? Ready na? Ready na? Let's go, baby. Boss! Canon Road bukas. Pwede sa kotse? Oh, guys, kakayanin naman daw pero baka may ginagawa lang sila late at night. Thank you, boss. Cannon Road it is. Pag hindi okay, balik. Extend lang isang araw. Guys, good news. Bukas yung Cannon Road. Meron na palang tunnel dito sa Cannon Road. It's probably to protect landfall, no? Pero nakakalito kasi kala mo nasa Marcos Highway ka. Pero actually, you are at Cannon Road. Bago yan, 100%. That's pretty cool.
Hindi, may earshot. Nadala lang ako.
Paano the safety of the area? Iba pa rin, guys. It's very smooth.
Pero car sounds na rin.
Guys, ito na nga. Ito na guys, Cannon Road. I don't know guys. I don't know if kaya ito ng lahat ng kotse, pero we're gonna find ways to do this. Dito na tayo. Sabi namin kanina guys na kung aabot man sa point na hindi talaga natin kaya yung daanan, mag-U-turn tayo. Natakot to ah.
But so far,
in this case, medyo ano to guys. Medyo malala. Oh! Tumama tayo, no?
Slide, pare, slide.
shit man.
Kaya? Gusto, pare.
Kaya. May iniwasan lang ako mga bato.
Oo, sige lang bro. Ayan, malapit na. Malapit na tayo bumaba, brother.
Malaki to.
Almost.
Damn.
Solid, bro.
That's rough.
You did it though.
Strap bro. Makabalik siya. Ano babalik mo?
Nakatakot yun guys, grabe. I would have recommended for a really lowered car guys, no? Hopefully that's the first and last.
Nakasidan kayo, wag
Wag na, no?
na bro.
EG update guys, kakababa lang natin from Cannon Road. Bukas siya pero merong part doon na hindi talaga recommended para sa mga kotse. Although kaya naman, pero na-feel ko na sumayad yung headers namin. Pati yung tie bar, tama ba sa likod? So delikado lalo na kung mamabilis ka. Pero napakabilis ng biyahe namin na yun ha. Siguro from the top, bago kami umalis ng Baguio, nakalagay doon na parang 4 hours papuntang Manila. Tapos pagtapos namin mag-Cannon Road, na parang ang bilis lang, siguro 55 minutes, 30. Iba pa rin talaga pag dumaan ka ng Cannon Road papuntang Manila guys. Napakabilis pa rin. Parang medyo nahulog lang yung yung chin natin. I have to find a way to glue this back or something. But other than that, the car is completely fine and pristine. Sobrang nakaka-proud yung Civic EG guys. Hindi ko akalain na kaya niyang gawin yun. Although ito nangyari sa trip natin, since ang heavy ng load, ayan no. Tapos nagkakaroon siya ng I think some kalawang here. But it's okay. Workable. It's something we'll deal with later on. Nakapag-ayusin natin yung paint ng kotse. But for now, this is really one of the best cars I've ever had. Grabe, I don't even feel that way with the Evo, but maybe because it's an automatic. Priceless moments, guys. Priceless moments. Relax lang si V. Tibay ng auto, no? Grabe. No words. Yung pinagdaanan ng kotse na to, parang hindi normal na pagdaanan ng mga tao. But so far, guys, wala tayong problema on this side. Nandun lang talaga sa kabilang side. Although, hindi, okay lang yan. I think we might have to have that redone or repainted. 102 kilometers. Alright. So far, so good. Guys, we're on our way back to Manila. 2 hours and 33 minutes na lang. EG is okay, AC is okay, sound system is okay. Yung mga kasama natin nagpapahinga na. We're just listening to music. Naka-Spotify jam tayo. Average speed natin ngayon is 100. Fuel is okay. Temp is okay. Sobrang okay yung EG, guys. Ngayon, tuloy-tuloy na lang to. So, it's gonna be 2 hours, 33 minutes of just pure highway. So, not sure if naririnig nyo kasi, pero naiingayin ako sa exhaust niya. Sa free flow na spoon and one. So, yun yung mga kailangan ko palitan if ever gagawin ko to ulit. Suspension, actually, livable na ako sa suspension, guys. I might actually stick with it. Baka lang may mga pa-modify ako ng onti lang. But in terms of the comfort, actually happy ako. Happy rin yung mga kasama ko. Ito lang exhaust na to, parang nakakainis. Kasi I feel like, yeah, parang may buzzing sound eh. But all things aside, car is good, guys. Car is good. At 1:10 AM, guys. We took a little break here, guys, kasi medyo napagod na rin tayo. Yung kasama namin natulog na lang siya sa loob, ayaw niya kumain. But so far, the EG's been okay. Wala akong masabi sa Civic na to, guys. It's the absolute best. Drives like a modern car. Hindi ko masabi kung tipid sa gas, pero honestly, kung i-Philippine loop ko to, sa totoo lang, kaya niya, guys. Pero North Loop muna siguro. Yeah, maybe next time we'll go to Ilocos or we'll go to La Union. Yeah, I still think I see a little bit of a lean right now. Hello! Hello! May mga nakaspot sa atin, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Sige, ingat kayo, ha. Thank you. Ingat kayo, guys. Bye-bye. Guys, sige pa, ingat kayo. We are in NLEX at the moment. Let's go. It's 2:32 AM. We are in Angeles, Pampanga on the way to Manila. 1 hour, 15 minutes na lang. So far, so good. Car is great. Kamusta ka, brother? I'm good. All good, no? Yeah. Kasama namin sa likod, guys. He's resting already. Everything's great, man. This car is amazing.
I've forgotten you.